Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can create a flyer using the template in the Canva mobile. So here I've already on Canva. What you need to do is just scroll down here on the Canva homepage and you'll see the flyers option. This is the flyer templates from Canva, and if you want to see all of the templates, just click on the see all. So after this, you just need to choose the flyer that you think fits your needs the best. For example, you want to create a flyer for an event or maybe an announcement, or for example any event like this. I'm going to use this one for example. Just click on the template and it will be open. So here what you need to do next is just make some changes. If it's already based on, like for example, I want to open an event regarding a makeup class like this, you can always just change, for example, the title into your own class. For example like this. You can also change the photo by your own makeup result. Here I'm going to change the entry, so I'm going to change this text right here into, for example, 40 per person. And after that you can change anything that you want. I'm going to change the background, for example, into a gradient color, this one. Okay, I like this one. And after that, if you already made the changes and if it's already finished, just click on the arrow up at the top and click on download. So that's all for me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.